What's good? It's your boy Brandman17 coming at y'all with a video today. We pretty much gonna be talking about 3,000 miles later on my RT, and then we're gonna be talking about whether or not you should go for a 2018 in the big year of 2025, bro. So just real quick. So really, man, just real quick. I'm 3,000 miles later on my RT. I got my RT back towards like the very beginning of October. It's now like mid-February, so you do the math. November, December, January. I done had it for about 3.5 months. 3.5, 4 months I done had it. So 3.5, 4 months, 3,000 miles later, I think I'm qualified, I think I'm certified enough to, give a solid little opinion on the Dodge Charger RT. So that's what we here for today, man. Y'all can see that. I don't know y'all can see that or not, but nah. Let me lift the windows up so y'all can hear a little better. Got the windows back up. But nah, man, 3,000 miles later on the RT, bro. I ain't had no issues with it. It's been treating me good. Again, really ain't had no issues with it. The cost hasn't been like nothing crazy, nothing outrageous. I've been enjoying it, bro. I mean, it's pretty much everything that I thought it would be and a little bit more. It's my very first V8, bro. I skipped the V6. If you've been watching my channel, you know that the car that I had before this here, that was a Toyota Camry 2018 hybrid. And I actually got it listed on Turo right now. I actually got it booked right now. It's been booked since like the very beginning of the year. Pretty much every single day, man. I done made well over $1,500 renting the car on Turo. So, that's been smooth. That's been good. Again, like I said, it's been on the platform for about a month. And I probably paid for the note 3 times already with the money that is generated from Turo. Shout out to that renter though, like for real, because I know 99% of the people that y'all get that book y'all cars on the Turo platform, they're not gonna be like the renter that I got. She done had the car for like a fat little minute, man. She done had the car for a little minute. Now where the fuck am I? But nah, man, we getting back to it. Yeah, she done had the car for a little minute now. And I mean, she done had it booked the whole time. So again, shout out to her. But the Dodge Charger RT, bro. This is not necessarily, the review video. But I'm just telling y'all things that I like, things I don't like. Let's start off with the things that I do like. So first off, obviously, the driving experiment. Oh, that's an experiment. Driving experience. The driving experience, bro, I give it a 10 out of 10, bro. If you're looking for a car that's gonna be fun, reliable, get you from point A to point B, got a little bit of power, not no exuberant amount of power, this might be the car for you, bro. Because like I said, me coming from a Toyota Camry hybrid, and I think that's like one thing that people don't be getting, or people get it, but they still gonna say, ooh, you need a scat pad. Ooh. Like, come on, bro. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush, bro. I'm gonna just say that. I'm not in a rush. If I was in a rush, bro, yeah, I'll go trade this in tomorrow and go get a scat, but I'm not in a rush, bro. I'm enjoying the RT. Again, I'm not in the rush. I don't even care about the scat like that. If I'm gonna get another Dodge Charger, bro, it's gonna be a cat. But that's gonna be in the future, though. So, I mean, the look of the car, it looks good. Obviously, I mean, that's one of the reasons why I got it. It look a lot better than, your standard 4-door sedans. I feel like the standard 4-door sedans don't really have too much to offer as far as the exterior. The exterior of the Dodge Charger is a lot better. You could argue and say that the interior on those other 4-door sedans is like good, possibly a little bit better. But I mean, it's arguable. It's debatable. And in my opinion, bro, I'm still taking the Dodge. Like, obviously, I'm taking the Dodge Charger over them any other sedan, bro. Cause I mean, they got my Toyota Camry. It was an LE, and the LE, that's not like that's not the sport edition, not the sport package. You don't get like the extra upgrades. You don't get the leather seats, heating steering wheel, things like that, whatever. But I mean, it's like you could get the SE version of that Toyota Camry that I had, and you could pay like RT price. And it's like, nah. For what I was looking for, bro, this here was the car to get. This here was the best move to get, so had to do it, bro. It's like, I mean, I just had to do it. Like I said, if I wanted any other sedan, if I wanted like a Lexus or like a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, something like that, bro, I could have just kept the Toyota Camry, bro. It's really not that crucial, and that's another thing. Like, y'all gotta understand that these cars, bro, they're just vehicles, bro. Especially like if you're not using it to monetize a YouTube channel or something like that, kind of like how I am, bro. It's like, yeah, bro, get the car you want, bro, but it's like they pretty much all do the same thing. It's not every day that you won't get up to 100 miles per hour. It's not even every day that you won't get up to, you know, like 60 miles per hour, depending on where you live at. Some like residential streets are like 60 miles per hour, so you might do that. But I know it's like, for me, it's like, I mean, the RT is a good daily driver. Not bad on the economy. I just filled up on gas. If you watched my last video, y'all seen me at the gas station. Or y'all didn't see me pump the gas, but like I told y'all how much it cost. And if you didn't see it, I spent like 47 bucks filling up. It got me to like 257 miles. But as you can see, I'm at like 248. So if you can do the quick math, that's like 9 miles off the dash. I've driven well over 9 miles, but that's the thing. Like, it's saying I'm at 250, 249, 248 or whatever. Really, I'm probably closer to like 280, 290, closer to 300. So the gas ain't horrible. If you want to know how to save on gas, bro, maybe just don't smash the throttle all day. Don't smash the throttle all day and you'll be good, bro. But if you smashing the throttle all day, of course your gas is gonna go a lot faster. But yeah, I mean, so it looks good. The gas ain't horrible. That's a fun car, bro. It's nice. You could just sit back. You could cruise in it. Like right now, speed limit 45, bro. I'm going 39, 40. I'm chilling. Like, you could cruise in this car and it's still like, I mean, it's gonna be a good experience. You don't gotta go 1,000,000 miles per hour. Like, you ain't gotta do it, but if you want to, you can. If you want to push this car to its full capabilities, get the maximum performance out of it, I mean, it's your car. You bought the car. You could do that. And I'm gonna definitely do that at some point, but not quite just yet, bro. Not quite yet. I'm gonna do it, but not quite yet. But yeah, man. Brakes are good on the car. I might get the Brembos though at some point. I mean, you really can't. I mean, there really ain't nothing to complain about. You can't ask for much else when you get the Dodge Charger RT, bro. I mean, I don't know. Like, y'all comment down below. What's some of the things that y'all wish the Dodge Charger RT could do that it can't do, you know, or that it can't do stock? What's some of the things that y'all wish it could do stock, you know? I'm gonna just keep on cruising, bro. I'm actually about to chop this video off and then start up another one.